Ghana yana musini ya wa Saudi Arabia memo His Excellency Mohammed Habib Tijani nene wade to Ghana fo nyina nim say abusua ne adofo be 4000 ya wo mo ekọ Mecca kwantikonkono no bambo ne hihye bia wo say penifo ye edema wo mo ewo ne yemu no wo besan wachi abafie no eguna kwan so Adom TV etwaso
Arabia, His Excellency Mohammed Habib Tijani Echiremua, Omanfua, Oboa won ho se wokọ Hajj, akwakọbọ mpaye, ewo yenuano muslimifo som ne mu no, wo hye won bose obekọ abasomdwe mu abibia ensi. Ebra wo boa won ho akosena wiemhye mu, Premtobre Kasee yase ena oni join news amane boni anasabit etwetwe enkomo. Na wo kyeremu se embassy no aso wo mo asena wo de hyehye yegu akwamu hye se enipa wo de wo mo kọ no, obi ya ho ntechema.
This year it appears we are going to see a more successful Hajj. This is because the measures we put in place here, that is the Hajj board, the Consul General, with the support of the embassy, we know the pilgrims are going to find life very comfortable here. And I want to assure them that we are around to support them. And the government of Ghana is also calling on us to do everything that we can to ensure that things are very smooth here, inshallah.
En wachi titreni ya woda Ghana Hajj board ano Ben Abdallah Banda enso editu dwase asomdwe wu hia pa e wosa won dwumedie yi emu esenti empenifo de wonan asifam a wo hye se won hye hye ni nyina be ko wano.
Our people in Ghana, back in Ghana, I want to let them be at peace that all the pilgrims are safe in Jeddah. Some of them are in Mecca. We are only hoping and praying that at the end of the day, we're going to have a successful Hajj, and those of us who are here will be finally airlifted back to Ghana.
The chef of the Ghana Hajj board ano echere sentia afi enuanu muslimifo aka won ho abomu a wode won ho ahyesa Hajj jumedie.
Our objective when we set out for this year's Hajj was to bring our people as close as possible to the Masjid al-Nabawi, which we have inshallah succeeded. And alhamdulillah, we are happy that our pilgrims are also happy. We are only praying that they've spent enough time worshipping in Masjid al-Nabawi, and may Allah accept their prayers and reward them abundantly for it.
Alhaji Abdul Rahman Gomda and a year Communications Director at the Ghana Hajj Board no na wotu Ghana for so bibi antwe ne ho free ne mabone yekoso social media is asesane emei etimi bo mai mane yiye.
Media is serving us well, and it's also harming us. A lot of the fake news we encountered in the course of organizing this year's Hajj suffered the negativities of social media. I will ask that when people read anything in the social media, they have to be careful. You don't just take everything hook, line, and sinker from social media.
Ne krakra na Alhaji Farouk Aliu Mahama emrashibe dwani wo yendi enso enne emane boni twetwe enkomo nsem sei ene oka editwa to.
We are happy, and today is the last flight, and you can see the organization has been well couched and all pilgrims are okay, and we are just here to do the necessary performance of Hajj, inshallah.